this point from cricket, we understand that the Pakistan board is absolutely firm to not agree to the hybrid model, but so is the BCCI firm on not sending its
अभी हमारी वार्ता चल रही है ना। और जब पूरा जो है ना एक फाइनल आउटकम आ जाएगा तो आपको अवगत कराएंगे, है ना। हम देखिए जो हालात हैं सब कुछ है, उनको देखते हुए फैसला लिया जाएगा। हमारे लिए खिलाड़ियों की सुरक्षा सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। हाइब्रिड मॉडल भी एक ऑप्शन है ना, और भी ऑप्शंस हैं, तो उस पर वार्तालाप चल रही है।
Karishma is joining me live at this point. Karishma, both the BCCI and the PCB are absolutely firm on the stand. Something is going to give. What, according to your sources, is the likely outcome going to be? Can it even be understood at this point?
Well, Ritanshu, what the ICC is going to propose is the hybrid model, because at this point in time that seems to be the safest option, because India's concerns as far as security issues in Pakistan are there is not going to be, go back down on that. India is going to be very, very certain, and in fact going to reiterate again that what are their concerns as far as Pakistan is concerned. We've seen in the past few weeks as well what has happened in Pakistan in terms of the law and order situation. 6 people dead in Islamabad, then there was an attack in Quetta as well. So obviously Pakistan Cricket Board will find it very, very hard to answer these questions. The only counter that they seem to have every single time the question arises of India not travelling is that what is India's problem? When other countries are travelling, why not India? The answer to that, which the BCCI has maintained, is that there can never be any comparison in other countries travelling to Pakistan and India travelling to Pakistan, given how the diplomatic and the political situation between the two countries is. So one thing is very, very clear: India is not travelling to Pakistan as far as the Champions Trophy is concerned. Now, Pakistan has asked ICC to produce workable options. There are only going to be 3 options, Ritanshu. One, on the top of it, is going to be the hybrid option. The second is going to be taking Champions Trophy completely out of Pakistan, but giving Pakistan the option to keep hosting rights with them. Or if Pakistan feels they want to pull out of it, then of course things will have to work in that way. And third would be that without India, the Champions Trophy happens in Pakistan. Let me tell you, the third option is the least likely option. The most likely option is the first option, and there could also be a vote on this particular option if the member boards cannot come to a unanimous decision as well. The meeting will be starting in about 1.5 hours from now, 3:30 p.m. IST, and it is expected to last for about 1.52 hours, after which we should have a decision as far as the Champions Trophy is concerned.
All right, Karishma, we'll keep coming back to this. It's going to be a very important meeting which all cricket fans and everyone from all countries will be keenly watching, given the developments that are happening in Pakistan. Thanks a lot for joining us with those updates.